For many homeowners in Redmond, Washington, maintaining a comfortable, secure, and visually appealing home is about more than just curb appeal. It's about quality of life. One home upgrade that's gaining attention throughout the area is replacing outdated doors with modern, energy-efficient replacement doors. Whether it's a front entry, patio, or side door, the right replacement can make a major difference in how your home looks, feels, and performs. From improving insulation to boosting property value, modern replacement doors offer a combination of style, safety, and savings that older doors simply can't match. Here's why more Redmond homeowners are making the switch. Improved energy efficiency for Washington's climate. Redmond's weather varies throughout the year, with chilly, damp winters and mild, breezy summers. Older doors, especially those made from wood or with worn-out seals, often allow drafts and moisture to enter, forcing heating and cooling systems to work harder. Modern replacement doors are engineered with advanced insulation technology, including energy-efficient cores made from insulated foam or fiberglass, weather-stripping systems that seal tightly against air leaks, low-E glass inserts that reduce heat transfer while maintaining natural light. These features help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing energy waste and lowering utility bills. For Redmond homeowners, that means year-round comfort and energy savings, no matter the season. Enhanced home security and peace of mind. Home security is always a top concern, and modern replacement doors deliver advanced protection without sacrificing style. Older doors may have weak frames, outdated locks, or deteriorating materials that compromise safety. Today's replacement doors feature reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant materials designed to deter forced entry. Many models are tested to meet national safety standards, ensuring your family and belongings stay protected. Whether it's a sturdy steel entry door or reinforced patio slider, upgrading your doors gives you peace of mind, knowing your home is secure from both the elements and intruders. Increased curb appeal and home value. Your door is one of the first things people notice about your home. Faded paint, visible wear, or an outdated style can make even a well-kept property feel dated. Installing modern replacement doors instantly refreshes your exterior, adding sophistication and character. Redmond homeowners can choose from a wide range of materials, including fiberglass, steel, and composite doors, as well as custom finishes, glass designs, and decorative accents. This level of personalization allows you to match your home's architecture while expressing your individual style. In addition to boosting aesthetics, replacement doors can increase your home's resale value. Homebuyers in the Pacific Northwest appreciate the combination of energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal that modern doors provide. Better protection against moisture and drafts. Living in Redmond means dealing with frequent rain and humidity. Over time, wooden doors can absorb moisture, swell, and warp, leading to drafts, leaks, and difficulty opening or closing. Modern replacement doors, particularly those made from fiberglass or steel, are built to withstand moisture exposure without warping or rotting. They feature durable weather-resistant coatings and precision-fit seals that protect your home's interior from water damage and drafts. This not only enhances comfort but also reduces long-term maintenance costs, since your doors won't require sanding, repainting, or frequent repairs. Smooth operation and lasting performance. A professionally installed replacement door operates seamlessly, providing smooth hinges, quiet latching, and reliable performance for years to come. Expert installers ensure that your new door fits perfectly in its frame, preventing air gaps and ensuring proper alignment. This precision enhances durability, reduces strain on the hinges, and ensures long-term functionality, key benefits for busy homeowners who want a lasting, worry-free upgrade. Final thoughts for Redmond homeowners: modern replacement doors offer much more than just an updated look. They bring comfort, efficiency, security, and durability, all tailored to the Pacific Northwest unique climate. By investing in professionally installed replacement doors, you're not just improving your home's appearance, you're creating a safer, quieter, and more energy-efficient space that enhances everyday living. Whether you're replacing a drafty front entry or upgrading your patio door, modern designs combine innovative technology with timeless beauty. With the right style and expert installation, your Redmond home will look better, perform better, and feel better for decades to come.